Students, next continuation, hydrogenation of alkenes in symmetrical compounds. It is also very most important student. Hydrogenation of alkenes in symmetrical compounds. What is hydrogenation student? Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen to alkenes. Now take the example, that is in symmetrical alkenes. Hydrogenation in symmetrical alkenes. Now take the example student. That is symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical means what I said student. Symmetrical means these double bonded carbon surrounding same groups are there. This carbon, these both are double bonded carbon. This double bonded carbon having phenyl group is there, methyl is there, and this carbon also having phenyl group is there, methyl group is there. So both are equal. So that's why these double bonded surrounding equal, both are equal compounds are there. That compound is called that is symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical means these double bonded carbon same groups are there, that is called symmetrical alkenes. So here given compound in cis alkenes, in in symmetrical alkenes, cis compound on hydrogenation in the presence of nickel or platinum and palladium catalyst. So here this is a cis compound. So first compound is cis compound. So hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. It is also undergoes syn addition reaction. Students, symmetrical alkenes also undergo syn addition. Syn addition means what I said students. Syn addition means two groups will attack same side. Two groups will attack same side, or two groups will attack empty spaces. Means here left hand side is empty spaces is there. One hydrogen will attack this side and one more hydrogen will attack this side. So this is called syn addition student. Now write the production, that is phenyl, this carbon, one methyl group is right hand side is there, one hydrogen will attack left hand side. Here also CH3 group as usual, one hydrogen will attack left hand side. This is also phenyl group, and top and bottom both are equal, phenyl groups are there. So this is also chiral carbon student. This is chiral carbon. This carbon surrounding four different groups are there, and this is also chiral carbon student. This carbon surrounding four different groups are there. So we can write this hydrogen shifting left hand side. This compound mirror images are not. Write the one more structure. This phenyl group we can write hydrogen present on right hand side, we can shifting towards left hand side, CH3, then H. This hydrogen shifting towards H, then CH3, then phenyl. These both are mirror images to each other. These both are mirror images students. Whatever this optically active or inactive, this is both are mirror images or not. This is mirror images. Why? Because of this methyl groups present on right hand side, but here methyl group, these both are mirror images to each other. But here also this is also mirror images, but it is optically active or inactive student. This is compound is optically inactive. This is not enantiomer, this is optically inactive. What is the reason student? Optically inactive due to the presence of plane of symmetry. This compound having plane of symmetry is there. Plane of symmetry means if you take the two half of cutting with here half, one above the plane and below the plane, both are same. Above the plane carbon having phenyl group is there, hydrogen is there, CH3 group is there, and below the plane here also same thing, carbon having hydrogen, methyl, phenyl. So this is plane of symmetry. This compound exhibits plane of symmetry, so that's why it is optically inactive. This compound due to the presence of plane of symmetry, POS, plane of symmetry is there, that compound is always optically inactive. And one more thing, these both are identical compounds. These both are identical compounds, and top and bottom both are identical compounds. So that's why it is optically inactive, and due to the presence of plane of symmetry. Given compound is cis alkene in symmetrical alkenes on hydrogenation to give a product student, that is that product is optically inactive. This product is optically inactive due to the presence of plane of symmetry. This is a simple trick student. This is also symmetrical alkenes also undergoes syn addition reaction. Now take the one more example student. Now trans alkene. In trans alkene student, in trans alkenes, two methyl groups are opposite to each other. It is also undergoes syn addition reaction student. See here what I said student, syn addition means two hydrogens are there. Syn hydrogen means what? That is substance or groups will attacks empty space side. These two hydrogens are there, this hydrogen will attack empty spaces. This carbon, here also one carbon is there, here also one carbon is there. Here two hydrogens are the hydrogenation means what, student? Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. This is in trans alkenes hydrogenation. Here two hydrogens are there. This trans alkenes also undergo syn addition reaction. Syn addition reaction. Here two hydrogen, one hydrogen will attack left hand side. Why? Because this left hand side empty space is there, so that's why one hydrogen will attack left hand side and one more hydrogen will attack right hand side. Why? Because this right hand side also right hand side also empty space is there. So what is the final product, student? We can write here final product, that is FH. See, CH3 already right hand side is there, hydrogen will attack left hand side, hydrogen will attack left hand side. Then here hydrogen empty space right hand side is there, hydrogen will attack right hand side, and left hand side already CH3 group is there, and downwards already phenyl group is there, phenyl group, and it is also chiral center, it is also chiral center. Two chiral centers are there, these two chiral centers are there, and then one more product will be found, one more structure also possible, student, that is this compound is optically active or inactive. We can add here phenyl CH, here shifting to hydrogen left hand side, H is there, but here CH3 right hand side, shifting towards right hand side, then CH, then pH. What about this, student? What about this compound, student? This mirror images or not? This compound is mirror images. So why? Because of this, this is chiral center, this is chiral carbon, the methyl group present on right hand side is there, in this left hand side is there. So these both are mirror images. In this compound methyl group left hand side is there, so these both are mirror images, these both are identical, and these two hydrogens also identical. So these both pairs are enantiomers pairs, these both pairs are enantiomers, these both are mirror images to each other. Why? Because of there is no plane of symmetry, there is no plane of symmetry, there is no plane of symmetry. Why? Because of here this opposite side, this is no plane of symmetry. Why? Because of methyl group is present in left hand side, here above the plane methyl group present on right hand side, so here plane of symmetry is absent, there is no plane of symmetry. So this exhibits this compound is enantiomers, these both are enantiomers and mirror image to each other and optically active also. In trans alkenes on hydrogenation in symmetrical compounds exhibits optically active, student, it is optically active, it is optically active. Trans alkene, symmetrical trans alkene, it is very most important, student. Symmetrical trans alkenes, symmetrical trans alkenes exhibits optical isomerism, optical isomerism due to the absence of plane of symmetry, due to the absence of plane of symmetry. It is very most important, it is optically active and mirror images, optically active and mirror images, racemic mixture also possible, student. These are the important simple trick for hydrogenation of alkene in symmetrical compounds and unsymmetrical compound. In symmetrical compound, cis alkenes give optically inactive due to the presence of plane of symmetry, that is meso compound. The cis compound to give a meso compound, this is meso compound will be formed, this due to the presence of plane of symmetry. But in trans alkenes, in hydrogenation of alkenes in symmetrical alkenes, trans alkenes exhibit optical isomerism due to the presence of enantiomer, due to the presence of what is that, that is due to the absence of plane of symmetry, due to the absence of plane of symmetry. And this symmetrical trans alkene exhibit optical isomerism and racemic mixture also possible. So this is the simple trick, student, hydrogenation of alkenes in symmetrical alkenes and unsymmetrical alkenes. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you. These are the cis alkenes and trans alkenes, student. Thank you.